Good Life singer. Jamaica, this is Mandeville.
Big deal with Jamaica, Jamaica Day.
Okay.
You plan color where you wear, and if you know wear that you wear the black, green and gold. Black for the people, green for the land, gold for every sunny Africa. Don't put on the bandana. And that this come down in the stadium, you know 1962. You see the Union Jack come down, 3 stripes. It has 3 stripes, black, blue, red and white. You never see it. You never see it? You never see it, Papa?
You're too young.
1962.
I never mind it.
No, them every independent they used to show it in the stadium, they used to show it. And you see when the Bahamas flag come down, the blue, red and white, it has 3 stripes like how my fingers face up. You the people, you don't think they have a pole to run. And it can come down so. Because I hit the Bahamas and did that. When the Japanese run down so far that we kill them. And the flag that they put in hard. You understand? It's a British flag, you understand? And the slave masters were British, you understand? And the flag of 3 stripes, it named the Union Jack. And anytime them a run down and kill with a hit, same like when you see Trump hospital in here, that's for them, you understand me? So you see the bandana cloth is a symbol. It's a symbol of the flag there. That's why them all important. You know, see when Miss Jamaica, you are Miss Jamaica, we independent, and you go up on the world stage and have a black bandana cloth, a 3 stripe it up, blue, red and white. No, because you see it got out a flag, a 3 stripe it up. Blue, red is a symbol of the Union Jack. You understand me? Don't put it on your head, that's why you see them take time, because you know see, them take time and come back. Them take time and come back from rule, you know. I don't know see, them are sneaky. One time them start off with the white, then next red with it. Then watch how you see the blue, just walk the arms, just walk the arms, but you see how the blue are stepping back. Them, you know, them are bringing the blue, because the more I sit back. So remember me tell you now. So when I pass up there, so I see the Rasta because I have done music because it take time. Listen, we don't get no independent, you know. It's a sham. You see King's House? King's House is Buckingham Palace. The Governor General of Queen Elizabeth. And the bandana flag, you see each of every independent, you see each of the side the arm. Open Parker, you will see more bandana than you see black, green and gold. And last year the team bandana be bold with the black, green and gold. Because they were coming at the team last year, no? Bandana be bold with the black, green and gold. Because bandana is blue, red and white. Listen to me, man. I don't know, you heard me say, we now open my eye and see what I want. You better train me on my heart, breathe because we are asleep. And take time of coming back fit in there. We ain't slave, we don't realize.
Real talk, man.
As I said, we're not really getting independent, so. But when we see the flag, it reminds me. You understand? I'm a motherland. You're Christian now. But let me tell you, from the barn, so, and my mother came here and show few white people there, and I said, them were my people there. From me about 3, you know, they come with it, you know. You understand? And I'll go there, Christian. You don't forget my motherland. You understand me? You understand? Because I know one day God will come right through You understand? Me and Moses say, we don't believe in a God. But let me tell you something. The creative power of good is God. I know we creative in on earth. You understand me? A powerful being. You understand me? So we have to respect that. You understand me? Yeah man, we have to respect that. They come and see. If you never see the building, nobody build a building. If you never see nobody and you come and it well fixed up and everything, you know as a man. You know as man make it although you never see it. And how can do it? You understand me? We come here and see heaven and earth. You understand me? And we want to deny the fact that it is created by a super being. Eh? We believe that. You understand me? Yeah man. Yes man. Easy man, let me tell you something. There is, mommy, hear me now, there is a power on you because it speak to me. You speak to me and me speak to him. You understand me? Me sleep, me open, me lay down and he tell me what's going to happen and when me will. It happened. So me know somebody there. You know empty so, you understand me? And look here, them take me from my motherland and we don't know our roots and we don't know. But that creative being will make we there with we are carry true. And one day God make you more understand the true story. You understand me? Look here.
I get some June plum. What you say now? You say, alright, give me the nice one then. Yeah. And that's the apple. The extra one for Jamaica Day, I want to you.
I don't get none of them. Can I bag that one?
Give me the good one. Which one good?
Which one looks good to you?
Let me see. That one you look. Well, a bird eat out that one over here, so. That one you look clean, sir.
That's how you go, you know?
Alright.
It's like you look some woman, some big and some little. Some nice and some not nice. That's how you go in the world.
Jamaica Day, tell her.
Yeah, man, great, yeah.
How much for you?
This hour, $300.
Where you get them from?
St. Elizabeth, them a plum come from. A plum no star ripe yet, no?
So
Plum no star ripe yet.
Apple is not season now?
Apple?
Yeah.
Everything no star ripe good yet, no?
Okay.
You have some late tree, you see.
Okay.
Beer something.
Just
She's walk alright. When they walk alright, I less money.
Alright.
When they walk out.
Alright, cool.
Jack back, you know?
Alright. Awesome. So we shall go Mega Mart to get some water and get some. So where you get paid from? Where you get apple from today? When you go inside, a good life, I don't like how you live. It's good life thing, yeah. You don't know, say I know apple season, my youth. You see me?
Once you come on, man, you get anything out of season.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, it's special though.
I want to eat some apple to anything and I get June plum too. What kind of good life business you deal with, my youth?
Real thing, 100%.
Yeah.
Natural.
I could cut the cake. No. I'm more. Oh, let me move the apple along here, sir. No, see the apple in there, man. Get another bag of apple, man. How much for the apple?
3 and 5.
Nice. Alright, we come back, please. Are you say always there?
You have 2 hours that can get up to him, John.
Yeah. You write that one there first. So we come back, alright?
Fire.
Yeah. Jamaica come back, yeah. Yeah, I get slap up the brain and
Manchester High School.
slap up the brain and
Hey, the way you hold the camera. So, the way you hold it on the recorder, we say we have space now. And enough waste of space there. I hold it so, you have to hold it straight. The same thing, you know, so I say it's set up. See.
Humble. You're not busy with the crowd, you just in and out.
yeah.
So Jamaica set up. No, we want the big, we can't get one of that, but we want the big container of water. Yeah, man. We could get 2 of them, 3 of them, man.
Them thing I can't really enough for too hot up in the car.
No, I'm gonna put them in the fridge. Need for drink. I'm gonna go get 4 of them here. Forget water for the crew, man. I'll get $2 for water. How much for them? $2 something for them. Get 2 more of this. And then we have to go shopping when we shut them complete the road, you know. Alright. So we get some cornmeal and bread and egg for breakfast tomorrow. You see me? And we need to get some Pepsi for Chaser with the rum.
Yeah, the Pepsi.
Right, so, and yeah, let's get that. Alright. Good. Alright. I'm gonna get some true juice.
That's all I like for you.
Alright. So what's the best next step?
He looking the liquor.
Juice only one night and I free.
Yo, them cornflakes that is different from the one upside, you know. And they make. You should get some cup too. We go to Manchester, you know. Up, you see me? So we should just get some cup. You know, sir, you must talk, you know, you can't just do a selfie of yourself.
No, man, I'm talk. What do you want to walk me? I'll show you something.
Hey, get 2 of them thing there. 2 of that. 2 of that. 2 of that. Alright? Good. So we'll go Baba and we'll get some water. And we'll get some rum and we'll get some alcohol for the big party, you see me?
Ice cream.
Pepsi.
For Chaser, right?
Yeah.
You know, you
Water. Water, man.
I'll go to the 10 grand.
So Jamaica, I mean, come on. I mean, look on Jamaica. You see how Jamaica set up, I mean, no different, yeah? Boy, Chubby, I move like same about here, you know? Alright, get some true juice. Get some true juice now. Get some guava. Some pineapple. I work, you know? I'll get the sour sauce. June plum. For rum? No, man. Get some guava. And get some get some. You know what season one?
When they are cold,
You never want season one. No. I'm to you. You know what we do this, sir?
I wonder if you need two, if you can get hot back up there cold.
We have ice. You know ice, right?
No, I say no. We have no ice in the shade. No, no problem. Take up what you want, no, me have to tell you the concussion.
Alright, what that?
Repercussion.
Alright, good. So we're good. Get some rum now. Nice. Well, some saltfish you're gonna need later. We want the rum. Let's get some kami, right? Alright, I could get some sorrel. Come, Chubby. Yes, Rasta. Go to register. Register, pasta.
Only thing we drink here, you know?
What do you drink?
Jaggers.
Alright.
So
I can't get the package. Come now, Chubby. Get two of this.
It's 22,260. We have some good places that
Where's that Chubby? Jamaica Good Life? Eh?
Jamaica Good Life.
All this stuff for, bro? What's going on?
Jamaica Good Life.
What are you doing?
It's a party tonight.
Is it going to be a party?
Yeah. This lovely young lady is helping me pack very well.
Oh, that's going to be amazing.
I really appreciate it.
So you have to protect the cat? Or you just come with me?
Airport.
The car will come, I have to go wait for him.
Up? Okay.
So we'll wait over there, so. Thanks so much.
Not going to start now.
Yeah. Come over there, son.
Run them over the commode. Run down the commode. Run down in there. Flat.
I only 200, right?
Yeah, man, we started, we have started, yeah. I'm going to suitcase that bill. Because the suitcase, Bro, we're out here.
Yeah, bro, what are you guys doing, bro? I mean, why you got all this drinks, bro? What's going on, huh?
I mean, juice. Juice for the life, the good life.
Jamaica Good Life, this up. You know, they are Jamaica, you can't.
Hey, bro, what's going on here? Can I have a beer or something, or a dragon stout?
No, wait. Drink in public, bro.
Oh, bro, man. Huh? Lemon just a sorrel. What you drink?
Everything what they have to drink, man. Alright.
Yeah.
You doing it? Out here?
You guys are going to a party in Norway? Is it a party in Norway?
Yeah, man.
Can I come to the party in Norway?
As long as you're part of Good Life, I mean, I love Good Life.
Oh, okay, bro. Can
You
I?
out there, sir?
I'm
Out there.
on.
You out there.
I'm gonna come to the party, bro.
Yeah, man, 2,000 naira.
Yeah, it's like it's gonna be a smashing party.
Why not this? Why not this? Close.
Yeah, man.
We have a rest room in there. You know how to take out this, you go out there, so you run them.
Yeah.